Okay, I want to post just a backup to what we did in class in case you forget how we made box plots and you want somewhere you can quickly go to see them once again. So, super easy way to make box plots. This is using Office 365 Excel on a Windows machine. Mac works fairly similarly, fortunately, for this technique. But like with all things in Excel and Microsoft, I can't promise you this technique will always work. So let's make a simple box plot. We will copy over the data we want to work with, and in class we were working with state data from 2020, looking at employment manufacturing in the thousands, and population as a categorical variable. Control C to copy, go to a new sheet, Control V to paste it in. So here we can see I've got state, manufacturing, and population category. To build a box plot of manufacturing broken out by population category, the easiest way to do this is to first sort your data by the categorical variable, in this case, population. So data, sort, choose your category. Sorry, calendar telling me I'm late for class. And now I've sorted the data by population. And then basically, to make your separate box plots, a box for each category, we're just going to create new columns. And we're going to name each column after that category. So our highest category is above 10 million. Our middle category is a population under 10 million. And our smallest states we have grouped under 5 million. So now I can simply copy the manufacturing data under each of these headers. So here is the above 10 million data, goes from row 2 to row 10. The under 10 million data and the under 5 million data. So all I've done is moved the columns over here into separate columns by category. Highlight the 3 columns. Make sure these are in the order that you want your boxes to be ordered from left to right. And then insert. And under the charts, they group the box plots under the statistical charts with histograms. You can use the plus or the add feature to add the legend so we can see what these are. And of course we want to add axis titles, and you can adjust the colors and do all kinds of fun stuff to make it look good. But that's our quick and dirty how to make box plots in Excel.